In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and polite ICS file to your Google Calendar. This is a simple process, but it can make managing your schedule much more efficient. We'll guide you through each step so you can seamlessly incorporate important events into your calendar. First, let's get started by opening Google Calendar on your web browser. It doesn't matter which browser you choose, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just make sure you're logged in to your Google account. Once you're in, take a moment to look around and get comfortable, as these are the tools you'll be using to manage your time effectively. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu, a useful feature that allows you to customize how your calendar works and looks. Click on that gear icon and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This action will open a new page where all the settings related to your Google Calendar live. Within the settings menu, take a look at the left-hand side where there's a list of options. Find and select Import and Export. This option will be crucial for bringing in new calendars and exporting existing ones. The Import and Export menu is straightforward, designed to make it easy for you to either add new data to your calendar or back up the existing ones. Once you're in the Import and Export section, you'll notice an Import option. Right beneath it, there is a button that says Select File from your computer. Click this button to open up a file dialog box. From here, navigate through your computer files and locate the ICS file that you wish to import into your Google Calendar. An ICS file is typically used for calendar data exchange, containing information about events and schedules, perfect for streamlining your appointments and meetings. After selecting the ICS file you want to upload, the next step is to choose the calendar where you'd like to add these events. Google Calendar allows you to maintain multiple calendars, which can be a great tool for separating work commitments from personal events. Pick the appropriate calendar from the drop-down list that appears. Finally, to wrap up the process, look for the Import button at the bottom of the page. Once you've verified everything looks correct, you've selected the right file and the right calendar, go ahead and click Import. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new set of events to your Google Calendar. Adding .ics files can be a real game changer for staying organized, especially when you're dealing with schedules sent from different platforms. Thank you for joining me today, and happy scheduling.